Before this video begins, I would just like to publicly state that this is for a general audience. This can be enjoyed by children and adults alike. Children under the age of 13 can enjoy this video for the Thomas & Friends brand itself. Teens and adults can also enjoy this video for its production value and nostalgia.
Thank you, Mayland Studios, and which bar? Let's go this.
I'm bored.
Whoa! Whoa, where am I?
Hey, Apple, you're back.
What?
Hey, Apple, where you been?
Are you talking to me?
Hey, Apple.
I'm not an apple.
Hey, Apple.
Hey, I'm not an apple.
Yeah, you are. You're red, so you're an apple.
No. You see, I'm a tomato.
A tomato? You look like an apple.
No. I'm a fruit like an apple, but I'm not an apple.
What? No, you're not. You're a vegetable.
Well, that's a common misconception, but a tomato like myself?
Hey, Hey, Apple. Can you spit seeds?
What?
Like this.
Ow! What the heck is wrong with you?
I'm an orange.
Don't ever do that to a tomato. Don't you know how easily I bruise?
You're a tomato.
It's tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato. It's not hard.
Yeah, you're a vegetable.
Fruit. I'm a fruit.
You can't be a fruit and a vegetable.
I know. I'm not. I'm a fruit. Tomatoes are fruits.
No, you're not. You're a vegetable, like a pumpkin.
Pumpkins are fruits too.
Yeah, and elephants are microwaves.
I hate oranges.
You're an apple.
I'm a tomato.
Apple.
Tomato.
Apple.
Tomato.
Apple.
Tomato.
Blender.
Huh? Whoa! Ow!
Whoa.
Don't press the button.
What's that? Hey, Tomato. Good to see ya. I was hoping we could catch up. Get it? Catch up. Why aren't you laughing?